Join me as I put the new Google Pixel Fold to the test and see if its powerful 5G and triple camera can really live up to the hype. Google's just stepped into the foldable phone market with a bang, introducing the Pixel Fold. This isn't just any smartphone, it's a game changer with its unique foldable design and a triple camera setup that's got everyone talking. The real question is, can it live up to the hype? Smartphone users today face a slew of challenges. Battery life seems to be a perpetual issue, with many of us scrambling to find a charger before the day is out. Then there's the quest for better camera quality. We want our photos to look stunning, with crisp details and vibrant colors. And let's not forget about versatility. We need our devices to keep up with our busy lives, effortlessly switching between tasks and capturing life's moments with ease. The demand for more screen real estate without the bulk has also become a major ask. We've seen various attempts at solving this, from larger screens to foldable displays. But integrating all these features without compromising on performance or design has been a tough nut to crack. Add to that the need for 5G connectivity, and the challenge gets even more interesting. In comes the Pixel Fold, looking to address these very pain points. Its foldable design promises a tablet-like experience in a compact package. But how does it perform in real life? Does it justify the hype with its powerful 5G capabilities and a triple camera setup that's supposed to revolutionize mobile photography? The Pixel Fold's design and performance specs are certainly intriguing. With a foldable OLED display, powerful processors under the hood, and Google's renowned camera software, it's a strong contender. The real magic, though, lies in how these specs translate to everyday use. Can it handle multitasking with ease, or does it struggle with demanding apps? When it comes to photography, the triple camera setup on the Pixel Fold seems to offer a significant edge. With a primary sensor, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide-angle lens, you're covered for a variety of shots. But it's not just about having more lenses, it's about the quality and versatility they bring. Google's computational photography is also a major plus, capable of producing stunning images in various conditions. A major highlight of the Pixel Fold is its innovative folding mechanism. It's not just about being able to fold, it's about how it enhances the user experience. Then there's the camera, not just any camera, but a triple threat capable of capturing professional-grade photos and videos. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love taking selfies, the Pixel Fold seems to have got you covered. So, what really sets the Pixel Fold apart from its competitors? For starters, its foldable design offers a unique selling point. But when you combine that with top-notch performance, a versatile camera system, and seamless 5G connectivity, it starts to look like a truly unbeatable package. In wrapping up, the Google Pixel Fold seems to tick a lot of boxes for what smartphone users have been clamoring for. Its blend of innovative design, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities positions it as a strong player in the market. What do you think about the Google Pixel Fold? Got your eye on one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're into tech reviews like this, I've got another video on my channel where I dive into the latest smartwatch from Samsung. Do check it out. Google Pixel Fold, unlocked Android 5G smartphone with telephoto lens and ultra-wide lens, foldable display, 24-hour battery, Obsidian, 256 GB. Brand Google. Operating system Android 13.0. RAM memory installed size 12 GB. CPU model A series. CPU speed 3.4 GHz. Memory storage capacity 256 GB. Screen size 5.8 inches. Resolution 2560 by 1440. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Model name Pixel Fold. The first foldable phone engineered by Google, Pixel Fold has all the power of the Google Tensor G2 chip in a thin, pocket-sized design. It's made with polished aluminum and matte glass and comes in elegant colors. Enjoy seamless multitasking with split screen. Drag two apps up from the taskbar to quickly open them side by side, or open two tabs in Chrome to shop and compare. Unlocked Android 5G phone gives you the flexibility to change carriers and choose your own data plan. Works with Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and other major carriers. With Pixel Fold's unique form and amazing camera, you can express your creativity with brilliant rear camera selfies and low-light photos and videos, all powered by Pixel's triple rear camera system and Google Tensor G2's advanced image processing. Pixel Fold is a full Pixel phone on the outside. Unfold it to multitask on the big inner display, or prop it on a surface to take photos and watch movies and videos, hands-free. Meet Pixel Fold, the first foldable phone engineered by Google. All the power of the Google Tensor G2 chip, in a thin, pocket-sized design. It's a Pixel phone on the outside, and a big, immersive display on the inside for entertainment and multitasking. So you can do even more, in so many ways. Legal requires compatible apps. Works with all major carriers. 5G service is carrier dependent. Requires a 5G data plan. 5G service not available on all carrier networks or in all areas. Contact carrier for details. 5G service, speed, and performance depend on many factors, including carrier network capabilities and signal strength. Actual results may vary. Some features not available in all areas. Data rates may apply. cg.co/pixel/networkinfo for info. Common criteria certification for hardware and cryptographic library. cg.co/pixel/certifications for details. Restrictions apply. Some data is not transmitted through VPN. Not available in all countries. All other Google One membership benefits sold separately. This VPN offer does not impact price or benefits of Google One subscription plan. Use of VPN may increase data costs depending on your plan. cg.co/pixel/VPN for details. Face unlock available on outer display only. Designed to comply with water protection rating IPX8 under IEC standard 60529 when each device leaves the factory but the device is not waterproof. The accessories are not water resistant. Water resistance is not a permanent condition and will diminish or be lost over time due to normal wear and tear device repair, disassembly or damage. Dropping your device may result in loss of water resistance. Liquid damage voids the warranty. cg.co/pixel/water for details. Watch, tablet, and earbuds sold separately. Based on third-party global research firm report. Evaluation considered features that may not be available in all countries. See goo.go/mobile security 2022 for more information. US only. English only. Call screen may not detect all robocalls and spam calls. Your Pixel will generally receive feature drops during the applicable Android update and support periods for the phone. cg.co/pixel/updates for details. Availability of some feature drops may vary. For all day, estimated battery life based on testing using a median Pixel user battery usage profile across a mix of talk, data, standby, and use of other features. For up to 72 hours, estimated battery life based on testing using a median Pixel user battery usage profile across a mix of talk, data, standby, and use of other features. Battery testing conducted on a major carrier network. For both claims, battery testing conducted in California in early 2023 on pre-production hardware and software using default settings. Battery life depends upon many factors and usage of certain features will decrease battery life. Actual battery life may be lower. Not available for all camera apps or modes. Maximum resolution and field of view not available for all camera apps or modes. Pixel stand sold separately.